Hello and welcome to another episode of Double J's List. Today I'm going to be showing you how to charge your non-Tesla on a Tesla supercharger using the Lectron, this thing is called the Vortex Plus. What it allows you to do is adapt the cable from a Tesla supercharger to the CCS DC fast charger port on your non-Tesla vehicle. All right, so here is the actual device. This is the end that goes inside the car. It may look somewhat familiar to you. This is what a normal DC fast charger looks like. And then on the other end is a much smaller Tesla style supercharger plug. So this plugs into the car. I'm going to show you how it does, and I'm going to show you how it works. This should be available to you on a link down in the description. So go ahead and click on that, and I'm going to take you to a supercharger right now and show you how it all works. All right, so I used the Tesla app on my phone and told it to unlock this particular charger. So it is now charging my phone or my account. You go to the charger, you pull it out. The cables on these are very short, just so you're aware, for the most part. Apparently they're making them better. You simply, it's tough to see because of the angles here, connect them together. And then you take the adapter with the plug, put it right in. It beeps, and it starts charging. It makes a series of clicks, and I'll show you what it looks like inside. All right, now you can take a look at the screen, and it's showing that the car is charging. Turn it on really quick. And you can see that the adapter is working and it is charging it up. It says charge port open, and that's that. So that's it. The adapter works really well. So any questions, leave them in the comments. I'd appreciate it. Hit the like and subscribe button. And yeah, it's this Lectron Vortex Plus. Allows you to take road trips and use the Tesla chargers if you like, which will be really, really handy. Anyway, thank you for watching.